Hello everyone, this is Marty from Scheller's Fitness and Cycling, and today I have in front of me a really cool folding bike from a relatively new brand for us, Denago. And if you haven't heard of Denago yet, just wait a little bit, because in the coming months and years, this is a brand that's going to become more and more familiar to folks in the bike business and consumers looking for a high quality, high value e-bike. So we're looking at the folding bike here, and there's some really kind of neat features in the folding bike, in addition to the exceptional value and the price point of this bike. This would be a 20-inch by 3-inch wide tire, so in the folding bike category that would be considered a fat bike. Integrated rear rack on this bike, 500-watt motor. This is a class 3 bike, so we do have a throttle as well as pedal elect. 25-mile-an-hour capacity on this bike. Fenders are also included in this bike. Metal fenders are part of it. Folding pedals, so when you do fold this bike up, it's convenient to be able to fold the pedals as well. Folding mechanism of the bike is simple to use. Breaks apart pretty easily. Comes back together easily. Integrated lights in the bike. Really kind of unique and cool integrated headlight as well as tail lights in the bike. Adjustable seat, very comfortable upright riding position, folding handlebars as well as the folding pedals and the folding seat. So this bike's ideal for an RVer. Maybe you have under vehicle storage, maybe you want to store this in your vehicle, perfect for that. Ideal for a boater, or anybody who just wants to have their e-bike take up less space in whatever the circumstances might be. So, removable battery, charge it on the bike or charge it indoors, whatever your preference is. And just a great handling, great value bike. You can see this bike at any one of our 6 stores: Louisville, Clarksville, Indiana, Evansville, Indiana, and Lexington, of course. And you can see it any time of day or night on our website on www.schellers.com. Come take a look at it, check it out in one of those spots, and I guarantee you will be impressed. That's the Denago folding bike. Thanks, guys.